So apparently the 2026 singles case C is cancelled, I believe, in America. I'm not 100% sure on that one. But over here in the UK, we have the entire contents here. Yes, there is only 20 cars, well, technically 21, but there is 20 cars here in packaging. I don't need duplicates of the other ones, so I'm just going to go through those first and then the rest of the case. So yeah, here is Lightning McQueen. There is 2 of regular cars, 1 Lightning McQueen in this case. He has the, the updated expression. This is actually the case A version. If I find an image, you know what I mean about that. But yeah, there is 2 of this guy in the case. This is obviously, European packaging, so there's only the 1 car on the back. New to the packaging for this case, I guess for the first time in the, the updated Mattel logo, is Rusty's Lightning McQueen from Cars 3. Nothing too special. I just needed him today to make this video. So yep, as seen in Cars 3, made in China. There's 2 of that guy in the case. There's also 2 of Cryptic Buster Lightning McQueen, the only cars on the road single this year, which is really weird to say, but yep, Mattel logo. And obviously this is again the international packaging, made in China. We have a Jonas Carvers here, the no stall next gen, one of my favorite next gens. I actually do have 2, but we'll get into that in Sunday's video on the KC highlights. Yep, he'll be in that video, so stay tuned for that. Yep, he is a new Chinese variant, I guess you could say. Looks pretty much the same. Obviously the Mattel logo there. The first time on the Red Riders packaging. Made in China there. So yeah, those are all the ones with 2 cars each. So we got 2, 4, 6... as you can see, 6, 8, so that would be the first 8 cars. 6 Lightning McQueens, which is a lot. We have 1 of Hydraulic Ramon, which is actually the Hydraulic Ramon, not the Hydraulic Ramon, which we still actually need as a release. Maybe some people can make that one, but yep, there is 1 of that guy in the case. There is 1 Flo in the case. Again, nothing too special. 1 Sheriff in the case. There is also 1 Todd Marcus in the case, which is, the weird looking eyes. You guys could check that video out in the top right hand corner if you wish to do so. You can see there is the base. Let's say made in China. And this one is from a previous case I just pulled out from my bin. So yeah, you can see there, made in China. And when I say bin, I mean my box, because I know some people call them bins, but I didn't generally pull them out the bin. Now we're going over to probably the coolest car in the highlights of this case is Nigel from Cars 2. The first time he's been released since 2020, I believe, as a single, or 2019, but in the Blue Desert packaging. So this is really, really refreshing to see him back. And I was actually going to do a video on him today, but I managed to get the whole case here, so I thought let's do the head case contents instead. So yep, there is Nigel really cool stuff. And for some reason he is $8.99 on the Smith's Toys website. Everyone else is $6.99. Makes no sense. But another one back, Carla Veloso. I can see what Mattel is sort of doing. They're prioritizing Cars 2 a lot more this year in 2026, because previously last year in 2025 there was only 3 Cars 2 releases in total. So that is very nice to see Carla back in the main line. Really cool stuff. Up next we have Barry the Pedal, which is new to the case, as you can see here. Very cool stuff. He is actually slightly different compared to his Thailand release from previously. And obviously he has already got a China release. Actually, if I show you guys in my cupboard there. Yep, he has a China release there in the middle. So it is really nice to see this guy back for sure. Nothing too special though. Just checking the back. Yep, there you go. And another one back from Case B is Ralph Carlisle. Again, nice to see him back. I'm glad they fixed the axles on the piston cup races. So that is actually a bonus. So yeah, there is one of each of those guys in this case. Finn Missile is also back as well, which is really cool to see. Obviously, again, he is now made in China, and he is slightly different. I'll get into, you know, that on Sunday when I do the massive comparison. Yep, there is Finn, obviously as seen in Cars 2, which is great, made in China. And thanks to my mum, by the way, she managed to get this Holley shifter on Smith's Toys today. But yeah, Mattel, why have you reverted back to the incorrect colour on Holley? I guess she's a unibody now, but she's not, because she still has that segmented piece at the back. Like, how many Hollies do we actually need? Like, obviously there is space there for the Holley, but so many different variants of Holley shifter at this rate. But yeah, just glad to see her back. I guess she just fly off the shelves, as you can see there, the promo image. And obviously we have a Sertomator with the Cars 2 artwork. So is this technically a Cars 2 release? You guys can let me know in the comments below. Yep, it does have the working tow hook, China release. And this is from a previous case, obviously, but he is in KC. You can see the other cars on the back if you are interested. And then there are 5 race and rescue cars, and like I said, technically 6, because Luigi and Guido count as 1 character each. But yeah, we have Luigi and Guido in this case. Again, one of my coolest versions of the race and rescue characters, especially Guido, because I ranked him pretty high in my ranking. But yeah, we can see there is Luigi and Guido, and this is the UK packaging. We have Chick Hicks again. I believe KC, there is actually a variant of him. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, you guys can let me know in the comments below. There is Race and Rescue Rally Race 200 Chick Hicks. There is Lightning McQueen, still not selling, obviously just now made in China. We have Mater here, as you can see. This is the first time he's been introduced from China, or released from China in 2026. So yeah, that is very cool. I have already got him open. As you can see, if I zoom in over there, got the Chinese version on the right, I believe. Yeah, that is the Chinese version on the right. And also there is one Morgan Martins in this case. He is very, very different compared to his Thailand release. So that one will be shown off in a video on Sunday with the whole lot. Even the base is very different as well. But yep, you can see here, let's say made in China. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the case video, sort of an unboxing sort of thing. I'm still very disappointed in Mattel how we still haven't had any new releases yet. But if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And until the next video, which will be on Sunday on the KC highlights, peace everybody.